In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the falling wedge chart pattern in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and you have a chart open for any market you're analyzing, whether that's stocks, forex, crypto, or indices. You want to be on the main charting screen with your candles or bars clearly visible, so you can actually see the pattern when it's applied. On the right-hand side or top bar of your chart, look for the option labeled Technicals. This is where TradingView groups a lot of its built-in tools that help you analyze price action. Go ahead and click on Technicals. When you open this menu, you'll see different categories of indicators and tools designed to make chart analysis easier and more visual. Inside the Technicals section, look for the area called Patterns. This is where TradingView keeps all of its automated chart pattern tools. Click on Patterns to expand that list. Patterns are incredibly helpful because they can automatically spot common formations that traders usually draw by hand, saving you time and helping you stay consistent in your analysis. Now, within the patterns list, scroll until you find Falling Wedge chart pattern. The falling wedge is typically considered a bullish pattern, meaning it often signals a potential move to the upside after a period of price compression. Once you see Falling Wedge chart pattern in the list, click on it to activate it on your chart. After you select it, TradingView will start scanning the visible price data for any structure that matches a falling wedge. If it finds one, it will outline it directly on your chart with trend lines converging downward. You can zoom in and out or scroll through your chart to see where these wedges have formed. Take a moment to study how the price moves inside the wedge and how it reacts when it breaks out, because that's usually where traders look for potential entries. You can also customize the appearance of the pattern by right-clicking on it and adjusting things like color, line thickness, or visibility on different time frames, depending on how clean you want your chart to look. If you haven't upgraded to TradingView Pro yet and you want access to more tools, better performance, and additional features, use the link in my description to sign up. That way, you'll be able to follow along with all of these pattern tools and apply the falling wedge chart pattern exactly as I've shown you in this video.